Hey, what's going on, guys? It's XXX Dom Tassio McBean here, and yes, I am back with the truck spotting video. So you may have noticed I'm in a different location this time, because if you haven't watched my video, then you probably didn't know that on that overpass right there, okay, if you could see it, I got pulled over because I guess someone thought I was gonna commit suicide. Which I wouldn't blame them if I saw somebody on the overpass, but I mean, I was truck spotting, guys. So yeah, so I guess I can't do it over there anymore. I mean, I can, but I'm deciding not to go over there anymore. And I'm gonna probably do it from over here from now on until maybe I guess I get a car and I do it on I-10. So anyway, let's get on with the truck spotting video. So comes a Peterbilt and a Kenworth. That's a nice exhaust pipe, man. He just did a shave and a haircut just now. I missed that. Shout out to this guy. I don't want to record him because I don't know if he's cool with being on like camera. But he did like a shave and a haircut. That was pretty cool. This is fun. This is real fun because this guy's honking this whole time. I don't know if you can hear him, but he's honking. Alright, on to the Mac. Hopefully he honks. Please honk. Oh my goodness. See, because he's actually like, I don't know, making up for what these trucks aren't doing. I kind of feel bad because like he didn't have to honk. All right, here comes a Kenworth. That sucked. I really was hoping he was gonna do it. Is he gonna honk his horn? Oh shit. Is that a bright lighter? Hey, I got him to honk though. That's good. I really hope he isn't angry, because I feel like he's gonna shout something out the window. Here comes a camera. I swear, this guy is awesome. This guy wasn't even looking. There's like two semi trucks coming at the same time. I don't know which one to film. There's a 6.0. He's the type of guy that can honk his horn when you ask him to, but he decides not to. He's serving Walmart. Look at that motorcycle. So I can work. Okay, so he just turned back. I don't know if it. Anyway, I'm just gonna get people to honk their horn. No biggie. Hey! Dodge Ram owner and asshole. Please don't call the cops on me. Oh, he honked his horn again. I don't know if you heard. I don't know if you can hear it. Alright, I'm gonna get these other ones to honk. I'm gonna give this guy a shout out. That is if he wants to be on my YouTube channel. Oh, what the? Look at that exhaust. Oh shit, look at all this. Alright, let's go. Here comes a Peterbilt. Oh, he's turning in. This guy's gonna be a big presence in my video. I just know it. Oh, what the fuck? Okay, I guess he don't want to be on the video. This guy's alright with it though. And I don't know what this nigga's doing, just parked right there. I don't know what he's doing. So this guy is still sitting there, and we're gonna get the Peterbilt to honk. Hey, he actually did it, and he seemed pretty happy about it. Thank God. Alright, I gotta watch out for him if he's turning right. Anyway, international. Okay, there this nigga goes. I don't know if he's gonna honk at all. Bro, come on, focus. There he goes. Oh, he mad. Peterbilt. Here comes two trucks again. Oh, that's the same. Almost missed that trick. Good thing I got it. Hey, he looks happy about it too. And we got a police. Hello. Hope you don't pull me over, buddy. There's some more trucks coming, but he's turning left, so yeah. We got a Cummins. Hey, we got a Freightliner. Alright, so here we got a piece of plastic Freightliner. And then behind that, we got a Kenworth. And another Kenworth. Okay, we got an older Freightliner coming up. Four stars, maybe like that guy because he doesn't honk. But yeah. Oh, look, a square body. All right, Peterbilt. And he doesn't do it. Two Kenworths. Oh, great. I gotta move. Hey, I don't know if that's him right there. It's okay to honk your horn. You know, it's not bad. Let me move so nobody thinks I'm doing something stupid. Oh, great. He's starting to speed up. He's mad, get it? He's mad because I'm asking him to honk his horn and he doesn't want to. Well, the light's red. Oh look, they put a fucking camera right there. Great. I gotta check in my whole video, see if it was there before. Thank you. See if they can call this a suspicious activity. Like, what the fuck, dude? I just found out they put fucking cameras there. For what reason? Put a camera right there. They put it all over the fucking intersection. Hold on. Okay, so just so you guys know, okay, so remember these red trucks that were just like these? So they recently replace these red trucks with them new blue trucks. So you're gonna be seeing them on my channel from now on because they got rid of the red trucks. The MBI trucks, yeah, they're replacing them with these different trucks. So, yeah. Oh, look, none of them honk their horn. That's funny because now I look even more suspicious with these cameras being there. Oh, look at that. Is that a, I don't know. It sounds like a 6.5 Detroit diesel. All right, so we got more trucks turning left, of course. Here's the Peterbilt and the Kenworth. Well, at least he did one. Oh, it's that same guy with the train horns. Here's another thing I don't like. Here's a cop. Hello! Another one of them cops. I'm scared now. Yeah, we finally get one of them Freightliners that we haven't gotten in such a long time. Hey, a Chevy Malibu. Hey, a Chevy Silverado. See if we can get that Peterbilt. Oh no, that's a Western Star. Yes, we got him! And a Nissan Frontier. Apparently everyone knows what I'm here for. Oh, crap. Kind of struggling to stop there. No, don't ever straight pipe your ego boost. By the way, there's a cop behind me. Hey. Hello. Another one of you guys again. Oh, crap. See, he's scared. He's scared. Come on, don't pull the nice gentleman over. I mean, it's kind of offensive that he didn't honk his horn when I asked him to, but god damn. It's not worth a ticket. Piso plastic. I don't normally zoom into those. See if we can get the Volvo to honk his horn. Nope, I guess not. Alright, we got a Kenworth coming up. I think it's got that mini loud thingy, but I don't know. Hey, he's gonna do it. Hey, he did it. Oh, we have an international. Is it gonna deafen my ears or is it gonna be normal? Oh. Hey, she did it though. And it's a girl. What are the odds of having a girl honk her horn? Alright, we got another truck. It's a Peterbilt. Hey, I got 3 trucks in a row. That's surprising, actually. Hold on, is there a train coming? Hold on. Alright, we have more trucks coming. It's a Freightliner and International. So, I guess we're gonna create a ruckus today. Is it a mini loud thingy and a regular horn? Come on, do it! Honk your horn! Okay, dude, I legitimately hear a train coming. I don't know if it's coming from there. Let me just, oh, hold up. Come on, just do it. Honk your horn. Thank you. Well, okay, that was boring. All right, here comes another one. It's an international. And one thing you gotta know about these trucks is that they have the most ear-deafening horns you could ever hear. But let's see if that's the case with this truck. No, we had one not too long ago with the ear-deafening horn. When are you guys gonna stop coming? Let this guy go. See if he'll do it. Yay! One of the rare ones nowadays. Do it! Damn it, you didn't do it. See if the international will do it. Navistar. Okay, excuse my language, but fuck you. Okay, so that's what I've been hearing. The fucking train is over there. Apparently, I fucking missed it. Here comes that truck with the mini loud thing. You see if he'll honk. Hopefully he does. Do it. Just do it, man. You saw me earlier and you didn't do it. Now's your chance to redeem yourself. Halfway. Halfway. I guess that counts though. What is it? Anyway. International. I don't know if that's the same person that came through before. He probably was. Oh, great. Here goes some bikers. Holy shit. But it stayed green for long enough. The fuck? See if we can get both of these trucks to do it. Damn it, you're covering that green truck. I don't know if he's gonna see me though. Well, cheers to him though. Really nice fucking truck, I'm not gonna lie. Come on, do it! Damn it, he didn't do it though. Well, it's at 7.3. I don't know if she can see me. Oh, hold up. Well, he's not gonna look at me because he's turning right. Oh yeah, that's a wide turn. Oh well, good thing there's another Volvo. Or no, that's a Freightliner. That's an RV though. Come on, honk your horn. Thank you. I didn't know they could. I didn't know they made RVs. Oh great, the light turned red. More trucks though. There's more trucks and not just him. See if he'll honk his horn. Come on, do it. Oh my god, of course not. See if he'll honk his horn. Oh my god, just honk your horn, dude. Here he goes. He seems pretty nice about it too. We gotta fucking Navistar, see if he has a ear deafening horn. Come on, do it. I mean, of course he doesn't do that shit. So I think that is a Volvo. Oh yeah, it is a Volvo. Alright, so I guess we're gonna get him to honk his horn. Okay, that's a Ford, so he doesn't, I'm not gonna get him to honk his horn. We got two trucks, but we're gonna get this one to honk his horn. Yeah, just do it, dude. I mean, it's a nice truck, but he didn't honk his horn. One more guy. Dude. Okay, I guess we got this guy then. Alright, let's see if he'll do it. Kind of doubt that he would, but I don't know, who knows. Alright, we got this truck. See if he'll honk his horn. Guess he was looking. Hey, he honked his horn. Alright, let's see if we can get the Volvo to do it. Move, you fucking Dodge Ram. See if he'll do it. Okay, well, we got this guy. He didn't honk last time. Yay! He honked his horn. Alright, here comes this guy in the Kenworth. Do it! Get up. Damn it. Okay. Well. He said he doesn't have a big horn. Well, I mean, that's the thought that counts. God damn it. What the fuck? I wonder if she's even licensed to operate that shit, or if she just needs to go somewhere. I gotta watch out for that guy. We got two trucks at the intersection right now, so I guess we'll just do him first. Oh my god. He's gotta watch out. God. Hey, he's pretty cool about it. Oh, I thought it turned green. Oh. See if he'll do it if I do the truck salute. See I'm doing it? Guess he ain't gonna do it then. Oh, never mind. Okay, well, he didn't do it, so. It's gonna be road rage, trust me, bro. Oh, never mind. Do it. Okay, do I need to get on the side of what for them to see me? All right, so I'm on this side of the intersection now, so I guess we'll see if they can see me. All right, so there's a Kenworth hauling logs right now, so. Oh, shit. What the hell, dude? Okay, I have no idea. I'll figure that out later, but here comes some trucks. That truck looks nice, by the way. And that's a Western Star. See if he'll honk his horn. Hopefully he does. Yay, he did it. Got the first one in a very long time. Okay, I literally have no idea. Yeah. Actually, let me get the fire truck to honk. All right, here comes another fire truck, which I... Holy shit. See if he'll honk his horn. You don't have it. Dude. Alright. That was probably the best horn so far. See if the International will do it. Alright, let's see if this truck will do it. He probably won't do it because he's turning. Yeah. Yep, thought so. He's looking right at me and he's not doing it. Alright, see if he'll do it then. Thank you. See if he'll do it. Oh, we got that truck. Do it. Nice shake brake though. I guess that makes up for the horn that you didn't honk. Doesn't make up for these guys though. See, and I said these because I know she wasn't gonna honk. Thank you. It ain't really the horn I was expecting though. Oh, there's that truck. I don't know if he has like the horn. Oh, I guess not. I guess not.